The most unexpected item in my bag is... I'm Tiff Baira. Are you ready to spill it? I do not keep my bag organized just like my life. It is chaotic. I'm running here. You'll find like a whole latte in here sometimes. I have so many like sugar packets in here. I think I might, I don't want to know what's in there. So I am a Gucci girl. It's seen a few days. I love the little scratches, but I think it shows that it's lived life with me. It fits everything, and it's so cute. It's kind of like my downtown cheaper version of a Birkin. It's the Gherkin, the Gucci Birkin. I think this bag really represents my personal style because it's a little bit extra, but it's also down for business. I could be at the fanciest restaurant in the world, or I could be like in the boardroom. That's the type of person I like to be. I always say yes to everything. Anywhere you want to go, anywhere you want to be, I'm always down for a good time. And this bag has definitely seen a lot of good times with me. I'm excited. All right, let's open the bag. Okay, we gotta start off with the most important, my AirPod Maxes. I love to dissociate with these on. I love to pretend like I'm listening to music when really I just don't wanna talk to anyone. Hot girls carry a notebook. I have this Gucci notebook that I'm obsessed with. I always am just like pretending to be mysterious and like writing letters in public so guys think I'm hotter. Let's see. We're going in. Oh, favorite little treat. I love a raisin. The most unexpected item in my bag is definitely my Jose Cuervo flip phone. I am truly obsessed with it. I use it to disconnect as someone that's making content all the time. After like 5, 6 o'clock when I'm with my friends, I really like to just turn off my iPhone and I go with this. Only like 5 people have this number, so if you have it, you know I love you. I actually did not even know that this was in here. Y'all remember this? These were like my childhood. And they're like still super hot and cute. Oh, wouldn't be my bag if I didn't have a Polaroid in it. I was looking cute. I just love having a bunch of Polaroids. I like always say I'm gonna like make a scrapbook, but I never do. Okay, let's move on. Oh yeah, definitely keeping the Gucci trend. My Gucci sunnies, I love these. I actually can't see that much because they're very dark. I don't know if I should be wearing sunglasses inside. I kind of like it after a few martinis. It just like makes me feel hot in the club. So I always bring my sunglasses no matter where I'm going, especially if I'm hungover in an airport. Let's see. We got my Dyson comb. This bad boy, whenever I'm on set, because we're literally filming outside, I always carry it. I'm obsessed with it. I literally just came off the set of Street Heart, so this is definitely ridiculous, but I always have a mic. I'm ready to be on the street. What do you do for a living? It's terrifying. So carry my mic, because you never know when someone needs to find some love. I literally am obsessed with smelling good. So I always use, what is it, San Janeiro? Brazilian Crush, whatever this is, smells so good. So I always use this, and I always top it with YSL Black Opium. Honestly, this scent gets you laid in 10 seconds. It's the best perfume ever made. It is a hot girl scent that I've literally been wearing for 10 years. I don't even smoke cigarettes, but I always have matches on me because I literally collect them from every restaurant. This one's from, I guess, Hotel Chelsea. I went there a few days ago. Employees only. I love having all these matches on me because even if you don't smoke, if you want to flirt with someone, you can just be like, hey baby, need a light? You know, I got my Matchbox. So, you know, those flirting tips get you a long way. Okay, we're getting a little more chaotic. I have a dog toy. Yeah, a lot of the guys I date are dogs, so I just keep them. But no, I have a French bulldog, Cupid. She's a stunning little angel, and I always just carry it in case she needs to play. Okay, so now we're getting to the good stuff. All my glosses and lip liners. I do not leave the house without having like 10 of them. So I always start with the Maracuja Juicy Lip Liner that it's like literally perfect for anything I wear. And then I top it with the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Gloss. But then one gloss isn't enough because also you gotta have gloss for the girlies. Like you meet someone in the bathroom, they're crying over their ex. Don't worry about him. Here's some gloss. So I have the Milk Odyssey gloss in like 3 shades. And then of course, Maracuja Dark Red. These are like my shades. It's very like love coated. This is another gloss that I always keep on me for good luck. It's actually this really amazing Fenty times Mischief ketchup collab, but it's lip gloss. And I always say I'm gonna open this when I meet someone really special to have a special lip. Let's just say the packet's still closed, so. Okay, now we're literally getting to the bottom of things. This is where the secrets are. These are like men's cards that I met out. Scott. How you doing, Scott? Hope you're doing well, okay? Listerine. Never leave the house without this. I swear, I bought it in bulk from Costco. I have all the different types, the blue, the green, the strips, the spray. Like, it just genuinely makes me feel hot when I'm talking to someone because you're gonna have a bad relationship if you have bad breath. So always bring your Listerines. These are the hottest pins. The V5 Precise is the only pin I write with. And one day when I do write my first divorce papers, which I'm very looking forward to, it'll be with this pin. Really excited about. Who needs a Mont Blanc? You need the Precise. This little wallet that is truly hanging on by a thread. I lose it every day. I need a new wallet. I've had it for like 6 years. And you know, I'm probably gonna lose it before I leave here. Tampon. Never leave the house without for you or the girls. Some pennies. Whose keys are these? Is this my ex's keys? It really might be because they are definitely not mine. Anyone that uses golden key locksmith, I have your key. And that's it. Thanks for spilling it with me. I'm really excited about Street Hearts, my matchmaking show where I matchmake a bunch of strangers in the subway, on the streets. It's been so much fun. So my job now is to be the official Cupid, to make sure that everyone finds someone for them. So I'm busy. I'm busy because dating in New York is the trenches and I gotta solve it. Is that what you wanted? Yeah. All right. Bringing the drama today, you know? To watch more videos like this, subscribe here.